Hi, you can support me by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. XRP price prediction as $1 billion pushes XRP above 50 cents resistance. Here's the next level to watch. The XRP price has dipped by 2% in the past 24 hours, sliding back down to $0.522666 after rising in the wake of a federal court's denial of the SEC's motion to appeal the July ruling in its case, with Ripple.XRP is now up by 4.5% in the past week and by 4% in the last 30 days, with the altcoin also having risen by 54% since the beginning of the year. This week's denial of the SEC potential appeal has left XRP in a strong position, solidifying the positive sentiment that emerged when Judge Analisa Torres ruled in July that the token is not, in and of itself, a security, and with the market also showing some signs of recovery earlier this week, XRP could be in for some big gains in the near future. XRP price prediction as $1 billion pushes XRP above 50 cents resistance. Here's the next level to watch. XRP's chart is in a mixed position, with its technical indicators neither particularly or particularly weak. On the one hand, XRP's 30-day moving average, yellow, is still substantially below its 200-day average, blue, indicating that the coin remains oversold and so, in theory, should bounce back soon. On the other hand, the coin's relative strength index, purple, is sinking down from 60, and could either fall further or resume rising again soon enough. Weighing in favor of a more positive conclusion is the fact that XRP's support level, green, has risen steadily in the past few weeks, implying that the altcoin won't be falling much further anytime soon. It will, therefore, be highly instructive to see whether XRP can resist a drop below its current support of around 51 cents. If it can avoid such a fate, it may resume bouncing back soon enough. Either way, XRP's fundamentals received some much-appreciated reinforcement this week when Judge Analisa Torres denied the SEC's application for an appeal on certain aspects of her ruling from July. This appeal would have focused on programmatic sales of XRP by Ripple on exchanges, with Judge Torres originally ruling that such sales were not in violation of securities rules, because buyers had no reasonable expectations of profits arising from Ripple's efforts, and she has upheld this ruling once again, saying that there's no substantial ground for difference of opinion in the particular matter, leaving the SEC at a loss for how to proceed. This is a big win for Ripple, leaving it in a better position to continue expanding its business, something which can only benefit XRP accordingly. XRP is likely to rise to 60 cents in the next couple of weeks, before possibly hitting 75 cents by the final month of the year.